Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? We are back on our journey to learn Python for modern AI agentic development. The topic we are going to cover today is very interesting, but a bit frustrating too, and that is error handling. So let's see, what is error handling in Python? So first of all, there are two types of error mainly which you are going to face in Python. First is name error and other is type error. Let me give you an example. What is a name error? It is like you don't have a type of hammer in your shed, but you are trying to use that hammer. What will happen? If there isn't that hammer and you are trying to use that, there is no reason that you are expecting that the result will happen. Likewise, if you are using a variable like print message, and if there is no message here, if there is no message saved before you are trying to print it, there is no variable called message, you are going to get a name error. So to solve this name error, first of all, you have to assign message to something. You have to save a variable called message and give it a value. This is a message I am trying to solve through it the name error. Okay, so once you have got a variable called message, then you are trying to access that variable, you won't get a name error. If you have a hammer in your shed and you are using it, the nail will be pounded, the nail will be thumbed, your result will be achieved. Okay, so moving to the next error, the type error. Let me explain you with it with an example. It's like you are trying to pound a nail with a screwdriver. A screwdriver should be pounded with a hammer. You cannot imply a nail should be pounded with a hammer. You cannot imply a screwdriver to do so. See how whimsical it seems. Likewise, if you try to access a number using a string, you will get a type error. A place where string is necessary to be used, you cannot use number there. For example, you are trying to add, you have saved in count 2.3, and you have saved this value as a string, but now you are trying to add it as a number. For example, count new count is equal to count plus 3. Print new count. Let's just see what happens. See, you are getting, oh, I had made it is equal to instead of plus, that's why we weren't getting that error. Let's see now. See, we are trying to add 3 into a string. 2.3 is a text, you cannot add a number in it. So for this to be solved, you need to convert this count into integer. Then only you can have that 3 number added into 2.3. What is the error? See, float. We have made this number a float, then we can float and integer are somewhat similar, and we have got the result. So in this, for as a conclusion, you can say name error is that you are trying to access a variable that isn't saved in the memory, and the type error is that you are trying to use string where a number should be used, or you are trying to access numbers where string should be used. That is when you will get error. Thank you very much.